Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and on this video today we actually kind of can go in the food category, but my son got a lava corn snake, and we have a juvenile corn snake. This whole video is really about a 25-30 minute video in real time. We sped it up 4 times to watch this, but we put a Pinkie rat, which is only a 1-day-old little rat. It's barely got fuzz on it. Some don't have fuzz, but and then our 15-inch little juvenile corn snake, which is no bigger than your Pinkie, came out and swallowed it whole. So we set up night vision on our Sony camera, and I just wanted to see if we could capture it, and we did. I did a YouTube search on this prior to putting the Pinkie rat out, and never could find a video on this. So this is the reason why we did this video. But we also love reptiles and snakes, and we're going to start our own separate category on our channel called reptiles. So thought this was very interesting for science purposes, if anything. But like and subscribe to our channel if you like food and travel. But we're also going to throw some reptile stuff out here as well. So hope you enjoy this. It's very interesting, and if you got kids, it's something for them to see on how a small juvenile corn snake opens up them jaws and devours a small Pinkie rat. Thank you for checking this out. Thank you guys for checking that out. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like food and travel videos. But again, we're going to start up another category called reptiles, and we'll put some reptile videos out as well, as we are newbies and want to learn more. Thank you.